So how can you find the time of another place using GMT? So GMT stands for Greenwich Meridian Time. And Greenwich Meridian Time, the longitude for Greenwich Meridian Time is 0 degrees. And the thing that you must know is that all the places that are on the west side, on the Earth's surface, are behind Greenwich Meridian Time. So which means they are not ahead of Greenwich Meridian Time. And all places that are on the east side, their time is ahead of Greenwich Meridian Time. So I'll give an example. So if you have been told that the time at Greenwich Meridian is 12 hours, and place A is on 15 degrees west, and you have been told to calculate the time for place A. Then we know that 1 hour is equals to 15 degrees. Then since you are trying to calculate the number of hours of these 15 degrees of place A, we can say 15 degrees is equals to x. So here x will be equal to 1 hour. So this 1 hour, you must know, are you going to add it to GMT or are you going to subtract it? So all the places, I've said that all the places that are on the west side, they are not ahead of GMT. So it means they are behind GMT. So this 1 hour, I'm going to subtract it from GMT. So I'll say 12 hours minus 1 hour. And the answer that I'm having is 11 hours. So if it is 12 hours, if the time given for GMT is 12 hours, the time at place A, that is having 15 degrees west, will be 11 hours. What about if you have been given a place that is on the east side? So GMT, using the same time, GMT 12 hours. Now you have been given a place that is on the east side, for example 15 degrees. So I use the same formula. 1 hour is equals to 15 degrees. What about 15 degrees is equals to x? So x is equals to 1 hour. And I know that all the places that are on the east side, they are ahead of they're ahead of GMT. So I'm going to add this one to 12. So 12 plus 1 hour, and the time is 13 hours. So if the place that is given is 15 degrees east and the time at GMT is 12 hours, the time at place B will be 13 hours.